sir. I am Gunnar Clint Kiano Q, 21 years old from Barangay Libertad, Aboyo Leyte, and I am a base Maritray Bravo. I can use this mini-fan as a tangible object. The fine-tuning of the universe refers to the observation that the fundamental constant and conditions of the universe are set within a narrow range, making life possible. If these constants were slightly different, the universe would not exist in a form capable of supporting life. Now, relating this to a minifan, consider the requires engineering and manufacturing. The motor must be completely wound, the blade must be perfectly in balance, and the electrical components carefully assembled. If any of these will completely off or damage, even if it's one thing or parts of the minifan will not be uh, function properly, the fan or the minifan would not be operate correctly, or it will not rotate, it will not function. Even if it is small thing, wire is uh, cut, one wire, the blade must the blade is not balanced, it will not rotate properly, it will not uh, function properly because it corresponds to all these parts. Every component is very important. That's why even if it is a small thing, it has a big impact to this mini fan. That's why it is very important that all the parts of this mini fan are functional and not damaged. From the number two questions about faulty religious belief and philosophical explanation, my example is that the belief that the earth is the center of the universe, or what we call geocentrism. Philosophically, the geocentric assumes a privileged position without empirical evidence. Science observations such as a planetary model and heliocentric contradict this view. Modern astronomy based on observations and measurements shows that the Earth orbits the Sun, which itself is one star among billions in the Milky Way galaxy. Our galaxy is one of many in the expanding universe. The phases of Venus and the moons of Jupiter observed by Galileo provide direct evidence against the Earth being the center. This belief is falsified by repeated and consistent scientific observations, making it untrue under the philosophy of science.